Good morning, Thrashers. Welcome to another episode of the Block Thrasher Daily Crypto Update. Except yesterday, I wasn't here. Sorry about that. Just had a phenomenal time with the family going through Yellowstone. And now I am back in the beautiful state of Wyoming, coming to you on this Tuesday, June 29th. My name is Justin Cummins. You're listening to the Block Thrasher Daily Crypto Update, where I do everything I possibly can to simplify crypto and to bring you today's hottest news stories so that you can stay aware, stay informed of what is happening in the cryptocurrency space, and you can make the best possible decisions regarding your cryptocurrency investments. Well, I can summarize the news today really, really simply in that the market is hot. The market is recovering. Let's take a look. What's happening? What's going on? Total market cap is up 7.9%. Yeah, now we're talking, right? That's good. $1.527 trillion total market cap. Bitcoin dominance dropping a little bit. It is now at 44.6%. Ethereum is at 17%. Gas prices are up a little bit. We've seen gas prices recently go as low as 7, 8, 9 GWP for standard. Now back up at 36. I tell you what, that was the time to do some. If you were doing anything on the Ethereum blockchain a couple days back when prices were so low, was a great time to do that. So Bitcoin is up 14.5% to 36,251, up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Things are looking good for Bitcoin at the moment. Looking at that green on the charts everywhere, looking at the green and the price column, looking at that, that's good. Ethereum also up 17.1% on the last 7 days. Now $2,215, up 8.9% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin up 14.5% on the week, 8.1% on the 24 at $312.43. Cardano is $1.40. Cardano just doing really well, up 19.6%. And Dogecoin, what in the world? What's going on with Dogecoin? Dogecoin's recovered 52.9% in the last 7 days, up 5.1% in the last 24 hours, currently at 26 cents. XRP up 16.8% to 72 cents. Polkadot up 7.7% to 16.90. Polkadot not enjoying as much of a rebound as the rest of the market at the moment. Still doing well, however. Bitcoin Cash up 18.2% to $538.47. Uniswap coming in at number 12, up 19.5% to $18.95. Litecoin up 17.9% to $147.80. Solana up 33.5%. Coming in just after Dogecoin in terms of percentage gain on the week. Currently $35.50. And we only have one news item to talk about. There just isn't much happening. There isn't much to report on. And it does have something to do with Solana. So we'll come back to that here in just a bit. But before we move on to that, let's talk about our word of the day, which is sacrosanct. 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 It means extremely sacred or inviolable. Extremely sacred or inviolable. There are certain things that are considered to be sacrosanct, even within the cryptocurrency space. Maybe I'll think of an example later. One's not popping in my mind right now. All right, for the news of the day, Tom Brady and Gisele Bundchen are in the news. Tom Brady is taking an equity stake in this cryptocurrency exchange, FTX. American football quarterback Tom Brady is becoming a shareholder and a brand ambassador of crypto exchange FTX. Brazilian model and activist Gisele Bundchen is also taking an equity stake in FTX. This is awesome. Brady's share in FTX is unknown, but the exchange operator said he will receive his signing bonus in cryptocurrency, although it is unclear which one. FTX declined to comment to the block to provide specific information when contacted. Besides Brady, FTX has also partnered with Brazilian model and activist Giselle. All right, tell us something new. Yeah, it's always funny to me when these articles, they take like one simple statement. Tom Brady invests in FTX. Giselle Bündchen invests in FTX. And then they say the same thing like 3 or 4 times in 3 or different paragraphs with just a little bit of a different wording. FTX has been spending millions of dollars recently to reach non-crypto natives. Earlier this year, FTX struck a $135 million deal with the Miami Heat basketball team to rename the Heat's home stadium to FTX Arena. In a similar deal this month, FTX spent $210 million to rename a professional esports team from TSM to TSM FTX. These guys are really going after the sports market, aren't they? As for Brady, the 7-time Super Bowl champion has been more engaged in the crypto sector lately. He recently added laser eyes to his Twitter profile picture, although later admitted that it might not have been a good idea. Brady is also set to launch an NFT platform called Autograph. The platform is expected to bring together some of the biggest brands and names in sports, entertainment, fashion, and pop culture to create non-fungible tokens. If you want to check out FTX, visit ftx.us if you're in the US or ftx.com if you're outside the US. Now, FTX was also in the news recently. A few days back, we read this article, which said that the Digital Assets, a company, Digital Assets AG, it's a Switzerland-based firm that tokenizes financial instruments. They have launched tokenized stocks on the Solana blockchain. The firm, that's Digital Assets AG, which powers tokenized stock trading for crypto exchanges Binance, FTX, and Bittrex Global, previously used a private blockchain. But now, this FTX is using the Solana blockchain. The Solana-based offering, however, will be exclusively available for FTX users for now. So not on Binance and on Bittrex and Global. They're still using the private blockchain currently for those offerings. FTX's sister company, Alameda Research, is an investor in Solana, and FTX also operates its own decentralized exchange called Serum on the Solana blockchain. So, all of this just to say, currently Solana is at number 14. We are seeing a nice pump on it, 33.5%, up to $35.55. But I think it speaks well for Solana that FTX and others are choosing their platform to launch these types of innovative products. This is an innovative product where basically the tokenization of stocks, where you can buy a stock. It's not going to be a derivative either. This company, Digital Assets AG, is actually going to purchase the underlying asset. So if you don't recall, we haven't gone over that before, but basically what happens here is you go to ftx.us and you buy Tesla stock, and it's a tokenized asset. So you're getting a derivative. You're getting a token that is representative, 1-to-1, an equal amount. And then Digital Assets AG, which is the third-party provider of that tokenized stock for FTX, goes out and actually buys Tesla. And there's, and that's what they're supposed to do anyway. Obviously, with all of this, as with any type of third-party type of situation, there's a level of trust. But these are regulated. FTX.us is a fully regulated, entity, company, and so there's oversight happening there. And I would say a fairly high level of trustability exists there. So some cool things. All right, friends. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. I just don't have that much more to cover with you in terms of news. There really wasn't anything that was compelling that I felt like needed to be talked about. I'll be back with you again tomorrow. Look forward to it. I hope you have an incredible day. It's exciting to start this last week of the month of June. We're just about to wrap up June, move into July. I hope you're enjoying your summer and having some good time with friends and family, and enjoying this little bit of a market rebound that we're starting to see here today. Things are looking good. All right. Talk to you soon. Appreciate you all. Bye now.